Are your Insignia Fire TV apps crashing again and again? You open Netflix, YouTube, or Prime Video, and suddenly, black screen, freezing, or app closes by itself. Don't worry, you are not alone. Many Insignia Fire TV users face this issue. But today, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix it permanently. By the end of this video, your apps will run smoothly without crashing. Step 1. Restart your Fire TV. First, always start with the simplest solution. Restart your Fire TV. Press and hold the select plus play/pause buttons for 10 seconds. Or go to Settings, My Fire TV Restart. A quick restart clears temporary glitches that often cause apps to crash. Step 2. Clear app cache and data. Apps build up cache files, which can become corrupted. To fix, go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications. Select the crashing app, like Netflix or YouTube. Click Clear Cache first. If it still crashes, select Clear Data. This gives your app a fresh start, just like reinstalling it. Step 3. Update apps and Fire TV software. Outdated apps or system software can cause crashes. To update apps, go to the App Store, Library, then click Update on the app. To update Fire TV itself, go to Settings, My Fire TV, About, check for updates. Keeping everything up to date ensures compatibility and fixes hidden bugs. Step 4. Uninstall and reinstall problematic apps. If clearing cache and updating doesn't work, uninstall the app completely and reinstall it. Go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, Uninstall. Then reinstall from the Amazon App Store. This removes corrupted files and gives you a clean version of the app. Step 5. Check internet connection. Apps like Netflix, Prime Video, or Disney Plus may crash due to poor Wi-Fi. Run a speed test on another device. You should have at least 10 megabits per second for HD and 25 megabits per second for 4K. If speeds are low, restart your router or connect Fire TV with an Ethernet adapter for stability. Step 6. Free up storage space. Low storage is another hidden cause. Fire TV slows down when memory is almost full. Go to Settings, My Fire TV, About Storage. Delete apps you don't use. You can also use a USB storage expansion if supported. And that's it. By following these steps, your Insignia Fire TV apps should stop crashing and run smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video to help others. Comment below which app was crashing for you. I'd love to hear your experience.